Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing some Ramadan baking with a few twists as well. We have pajamas on. Today we're going to be making a bunch of lemon cakes. We're going to make both a lemon loaf and also some lemon cupcakes that I can bring into work and disperse between friends and family. To line this tin, I know it's more of a brownie tin, but I kind of like the texture a bit more when it's kind of, you know, flatter and square as opposed to being in a loaf. So we are going to line it because it's the worst possible part. I hate doing this and I don't know why. So let's get this done first. And I'm gonna get the lemons and hopefully this will kind of smush it down. And squeezer. I got this from a random Desi shop that I found and it's been the most helpful thing ever. We're gonna roll the lemons first because, and oh my god, I just filmed a video before, so my hand, this is not dirt, it's dye from dyeing my eyelashes and my eyebrows. So we're gonna roll it and get all the juices out. This is the best way before cutting into the lemon. These look like they're from Tesco, but they're not. We got them from a farm shop nearby and they're huge eggs. They don't actually fit in the box. They are quite big. And yes, free range. We love a good free range. And supporting small farmers, small local businesses and farmers. Some icing sugar. Now you can use butter, but for this recipe I like to use oil because it makes it a little bit more slick. Get this for like 39p from Aldi. Ow. Usually I put vanilla extract in. This is a type of vanilla extract, it's called vanilla paste, and we're just gonna put like a glob of it into it. I always add vanilla to like every single thing that I bake. It just makes it so much better. Some self-raising flour. Some bicarbonate of soda. This is gonna really fluff the cake up, so it's gonna react with the lemon juice, which is absolutely fine. Look how much that is fluffing up. That's exactly what we're going for, till it's literally almost spilling out of the bowl. Try not to overfill them. Now we're ready to go in the oven. Let's go. There's the cupcakes and there is the lemon loaf. Looking like it's gonna spill over. We are in the oven. Let's see how they do. So I've washed the bowl out and now we are going to make the icing, which is going to be really simple. Is a lemon and some icing sugar. Look at this chunk. Wow. Look how big it is. Go on. Go on then. add some golden syrup because golden syrup on any cake is just chef's kiss. Oh yeah, look at that. And that is our cakes and Ramadan treats done. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, and if you are already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a video.